Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is DailyTech, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. First, locate the volume up, down, and the power button. Press and hold the volume up and the power button. Once the phone turns on, remove your finger off of the power button. Continue holding the volume up. Once you see this screen, remove your finger off of the volume up, scroll down, wipe data factory reset, press the power button to select it, scroll down, factory data reset, reboot system now. Once the phone comes on, you would find out that the phone has been reset to the factory settings. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, if you have a Gmail on the device, make sure you remember it so you need it to get back into the phone. Thank you.